Co-workers at Morgan Stanley across roughly 10 different industries. Morgan Thomas Automobiles. The technology is real and serves a good purpose. People, get comfortable, as the news update on Tesla's stock today is nothing less of a catastrophic, exciting ride thanks to a bold decision made by Morgan Stanley. Tesla's stock is surging like crazy. This surge represents Tesla's largest single-day jump since January, and it's not happening by accident. What's causing this Tesla stock fireworks display? It's none other than the sharp analysts at Morgan Stanley, led by the one and only Adam Levy. While this is very impressive, the level of the stock hasn't been seen since July 19th, and it's creating waves on Wall Street. Investors are giddy over a move made by Jonas. In addition to raising their rating for Tesla, they also increased its price. As if that weren't thrilling enough, they also changed it from hold to buy. Target increased from $250 to an incredible $400. But the really shocking part is this. The Tesla Dojo supercomputer is the key ingredient underlying this entire movement. Whether you're a Tesla enthusiast, an investor with your eye on the prize, or just someone who enjoys a good stock market roller coaster, you're in for a treat today. Stay tuned for a deep dive into what the Dojo supercomputer means for Tesla's future, its potential impact on the electric vehicle market, and how it's sending Tesla's stock to the moon and beyond. And hey, if you're as excited as we are about Tesla's electrifying journey, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Insights. It's the best way to stay up to date. Monday, we'll see you on the other side. After Morgan Stanley upgraded the firm and discussed a non-vehicle revenue stream, Tesla's stock price shot to its highest point in more than a month. According to Morgan Stanley, this may increase Tesla's market worth over $1 trillion, making it even more attractive. Experts state that Tesla's market value climbed by a staggering $79.9 billion on Monday, surpassing Berkshire Hathaway and placing the company as the seventh most valuable in the world. Elon Musk's social media startup X and his aerospace and communications company SpaceX are believed to rely heavily on Tesla's machine learning system, Dojo, which he sarcastically refers to as the Muskonomy. Elon Musk stated in July that Tesla would devote more than $1 billion to the development of Dojo over the course of the upcoming year. The purpose of the project is to build a supercomputer designed only for image and video processing applications. One of the best performing stocks in the S&P 500, Tesla's stock has been on a wild ride in 2023, rising over 100 points so far this year. However, it's important to remember that Tesla is still down roughly 35% from its peak during the pandemic. Experts appear to have changed their minds about Tesla's AI prospects back in June, when he warned investors that generative AI and autonomous driving were two different things. Since then, AI-related stocks have been leading the market, with Nvidia in particular posting over a 200% gain and a market cap of over $1 trillion. Dojo is essential for Tesla's AI advancements. Barclays analysts led by Dan Levy predict that it will take some time for this service to turn a profit when sold to other businesses. But what precisely is this Dojo? Tesla is no stranger to large computer clusters with those NVIDIA GPUs, but Dojo is in a class of its own. It's like a secret weapon with chips and an entire setup designed exclusively by Tesla. Why all this tech wizardry? Well, it's all for that self-driving dream. Dojo is a custom-made AI powerhouse that is all about taking video data from its fleet of cars and turning it into super smart neural nets. The goal of Dojo is to use video data to sculpt those neural nets. Imagine that. As the brains behind Tesla's self-driving magic picture, back in 2021 at Tesla's AI Day, they pulled back the curtain on Dojo, but it was still in the early stages of development. The entire Dojo cabinet and cluster, or exapod as they call it, were still being assembled. It was like watching a magician rehearse before the big show. In 2022, AI continues to advance, and Tesla has made progress. They now have a whole system tray, which is equivalent to a fundamental component, and you guessed it, they were discussing having a full cluster. Ready to roll by early 2023, it will be like building a skyscraper out of a blueprint in no time. The first half of the year passed, and we heard nothing about Dojo, but now we know that it has finally arrived this summer, and that it's not just a passing visit. They have some major plans to boost Dojo's processing power to an incredible 100 exaflops by the end of 2024. Imagine your car's brain receiving a major upgrade that would be similar to turbocharging your computer on a massive scale. Now, let's talk about Tesla. They aren't just dabbling in neural net-based technology for their visual perception systems, they're going all in. Not only are they focusing on the visuals, but they're also getting into the nitty-gritty of vehicle controls. According to Tesla, their computational power for its self-driving endeavors is running short. Dojo could be the difference maker in this situation, as it's akin to attempting to run a marathon on a low battery. Imagine that Morgan Stanley, a well-known financial firm, decided to conduct some serious investigation work on Dojo. One of their astute analysts, Adam Jonas, wrote down that Tesla needed to turbocharge their dreams of self-driving cars. A few fascinating discoveries. Why is Jonas so excited? Because he believes that Tesla's unique AI chips, which are made for training AI using videos, could give them a significant advantage. Jonas believes that Dojo alone could make Tesla a lot richer. He's kicking around numbers like $500 billion. It's similar to having a hidden weapon in a high-stakes game, but Morgan Stanley isn't just talking about accelerating self-driving cars, they're also considering direct revenue streams for Dojo. Elon, the CEO of Tesla, has previously made hints about this, and guess what? Morgan Stanley has increased their estimate of the value of Tesla's shares from $250 to a whopping $400 due to the enthusiasm about Dojo. That resembles a stock price on an extreme roller coaster, so what transpired next? It was as though the stock market received a caffeine boost when this tasty news broke. A number of variables could be driving the equity's gain. Tesla's shares shot up nearly 6% in pre-market trading. There are a number of factors influencing Tesla's stock rise, one of which is the increasing likelihood of a significant U.S. strike. If the strike continues, it might hurt Tesla's rivals and possibly increase Tesla's market share in the U.S. One of the most significant factors is the imminent possibility of a large-scale strike called by the United Automobile Workers. If this strike happens, it could significantly affect Tesla's rivals and possibly increase the company's market share in the U.S. if the strike continues. This UADADS OB is not an isolated incident, but rather a reflection of the larger labor concerns in the car industry, since unions want greater pay, better working conditions, and more job security for its members. Labor disputes have long existed in this sector. These disputes can disrupt supply chains and production, which can have an adverse effect on a company's profitability and stock price. Furthermore, because Tesla is a particularly strike-resistant automaker, investors may reevaluate their positions in damaged companies as a result of labor strikes. This might enhance demand for Tesla's stock, which would raise its price. It's crucial to remember that labor problems are not the only factor affecting Tesla's stock performance. Significant roles are also played by Elon Musk's visionary leadership and Tesla's innovative technology. With cutting-edge features that appeal to buyers seeking the newest in automotive technology, as well as those who are environmentally sensitive, Tesla's electric vehicles are leading the way in the EV revolution. Elon, being the largest individual stakeholder in Tesla, the business's charismatic CEO, is a major factor in its success. His remarks and actions frequently have a significant impact on the stock price of the company. A Musk nibble meant to garner attention. Let's get into Elon Musk's incredible wealth. According to Forbes calculations, Musk has a net worth of $261 billion, making him the richest person on the planet. This is an incredible achievement given that he is worth over $60 billion more than Bernard Arnault, shaping not only the automotive industry but also the global economy and our collective imagination. It's an exciting story that has us all on the edge of our seats, but there are still many chapters yet to be written as the stock market and Tesla's innovations define the future of transportation. Will Tesla continue to dominate the electric vehicle market? What will Musk's riches do? Impact his ambitious ventures like SpaceX and the Boring Company? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this in-depth look into Tesla's world, don't forget to hit the like button. To stay up to date, be sure to subscribe to Tesla Insights. We appreciate your time and hope to see you in our upcoming videos.